it's Nick. I want to introduce you our new product. This is the DSLR twin flash bracket. It can be used with any type of camera. Let's take a closer look at it. As you see, there is the main bar and the circular semi-bar right around the lens, where you can put the twin flashes. I'm using it with the Godox twin flash and the Godox flash trigger. So let's try to use. This is the best tool for dental photography and any kind of macro photography. As you can see, this is a perfect tool for dental photography. So you can order the DSLR twin flash bracket alone. This is what it looks like. Or you can get it together in a set with the Godox twin flash and the Godox flash trigger.